Hey YouTube, today I'm going to change a coil pack on a Subaru. It's a 2.5 liter. It's a year 2000 Forester. This is extremely easy and you should never pay a shop. Just my opinion. Easier than changing a wiper blade. Let's get to it. So my car's having this issue, and when I start it up after it's been shut off for over 5 minutes, I get a misfire and it goes away after about 5 seconds. But I got a coil pack just sitting around. I'll give it a shot. Okay, so first you want to get the wires off. Just give it a little twist and then pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. Okay, and then the connector, just push down right here and kind of wiggle it, push in, pull out. There we go. And then okay. That's the old one. New old one. Looks good. Alright. Right in the car. That'll be our little seat. I don't think I need to cut this video. You guys can just watch the whole thing. Right? Come on. It's also a good idea to put some dielectric grease in here, just a little bit. So sad it didn't fix it. It's the exact same as before. Oh well, maybe fuel injectors. I'm gonna go after that next. Alright, got it installed. See if it fixed it. Let's see. Well, it's working right now. I'll know in a couple days. But yeah, if your mechanic tells you you need a coil pack, you know, don't pay too much. It's very easy to do yourself. Well, I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, comment on the video, and ding the bell. Have a good day.